There is a part of the human mind that does not care about morality. It does not feel guilt the way you do. It does not hesitate. It does not justify itself. And yet, it exists in every single human being. Psychology does not call this part evil. It does not call it madness. It calls it the dark passenger. This is not a metaphor. It is not fiction. And it is not something only dangerous people possess. It is a real psychological structure embedded deep within the human brain that has shaped survival, power, leadership, violence, and history itself. To understand the dark passenger, we must go back before civilization, before laws, before morality, before social rules. The human brain evolved for one purpose above all others: survival. Survival does not require kindness, it requires calculation. Your mind developed the ability to detach emotionally, to act aggressively, to deceive, and to dominate because those traits kept early humans alive. The same brain that allows empathy also allows cruelty. The same mind that forms deep bonds can sever them instantly when survival or power is threatened. This is not a flaw, it is design. Carl Jung called this hidden structure the shadow self. The shadow contains everything society rejects, but biology still requires: aggression, desire for control, ruthlessness, indifference. You are not taught to understand these instincts. You are taught to suppress them. And suppression is where the danger begins. Most people believe that being a good person means eliminating darkness. Psychology disagrees. The mind does not delete instincts, it stores them. Suppressed impulses do not disappear. They sink below consciousness, and unconscious forces do not ask permission. This is why people who appear calm, polite, and moral can suddenly explode under pressure. The dark passenger does not emerge randomly. It emerges when the conscious mind loses control. Stress, humiliation, fear, loss of status, power. The more unaware a person is of their shadow, the more power it has over them. Carl Jung warned that when the shadow is not made conscious, it will be lived out unconsciously. What you deny will drive you. Now let us be precise. Not everyone who has a dark passenger is a psychopath, but every psychopath operates almost entirely through it. Psychopathy is defined by low emotional empathy, fearlessness, and high cognitive control. Psychopaths do not lack intelligence, they lack emotional brakes. What separates them from the average person is not darkness, it is integration. Their dark passenger is not buried, it is active, controlled, and conscious. This is why many psychopaths do not become criminals, they become surgeons, CEOs, military strategists, political leaders. They can make decisions without emotional interference. This is not praise, this is explanation. Psychology does not judge, it observes. Now look at history honestly. The greatest conquerors of all time were not driven by kindness. Alexander the Great, Genghis Khan, Napoleon. They possessed extraordinary discipline, intelligence, and emotional detachment from suffering. They could act while others hesitated. They could destroy without internal collapse. They understood something most people fear. Power requires the ability to silence empathy when necessary. This does not make them heroes, it makes them psychologically revealing. History is not shaped by moral purity. It is shaped by individuals who mastered their inner chaos. The dark passenger, when controlled, becomes decisiveness. When ignored, it becomes destruction. Here is the truth most people avoid. You are capable of far more darkness than you want to believe, and that does not make you bad, it makes you human. True psychological maturity is not pretending to be harmless. It is knowing exactly what you are capable of and choosing restraint. The most dangerous people are not those who know their darkness. They are the ones convinced they do not have any, because denial removes control. Awareness creates it. The dark passenger is not your enemy. It is a force. And like any force, it can either rule you or be mastered. This insight comes from psychnoctis, diving deep into the hidden architecture of the human mind.